Hey all you Simonites, it's Simon Simaan, owner and broker of the Simon Simaan Group, right here in beautiful Daytona, Florida. And today, I got something special for you. If you don't know already, Simon, I'm a big car guy. I've been like that for many years. My first car was a 1968 Ford Mustang, and you won't believe where we're at right now. Guess what's behind me? Not that, silly guys. We got the Daytona International Speedway, Rolex 24, Daytona 500, Days of Thunder. Man, Tom Cruise even raced here back in the day. That was my favorite movies. And today, for all you car guys out there, because we're going to highlight what events we should do in Central Florida. I had no idea, right? This is a turkey rod run. It happens once a year. It's the largest car show, the largest. Nothing beats it in all of America of classic cars. They have over 6,000 classic cars, vendors, car corral. It is like the mecca of car shows right here in Central Florida every single year. And it's the 48th turkey rod run, guys. It's been going on for 48 years, and the story is awesome. Father and son tried to enter the car in a car show back in the 70s. They were rejected, so they started their own car show. And it's this awesome, by far best car show, I promise you guys, in all the country. I got my GoPro on, I'm gonna wear it, and I'm gonna give you a tour of the turkey rod run. Your mind's gonna be blown how much cool stuff's in here. So without further ado, let's check out Daytona's turkey rod run. Come on guys, let's go. After 5 miles, my legs are beat. So concludes the 48th annual Turkey Rod Run. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I certainly did. And my legs probably burned 1,000 calories just walking around here. Right behind me, they have over 100,000 spectators usually cheering at the Daytona 500 or the Rolex 24. This is just an awesome event. It's great for families to come by, check out some cool classic cars every week during Thanksgiving. Don't forget the Turkey Rod Run at the Daytona International Speedway. My favorite car, definitely the Batmobile. The Simon Simaan Group. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And do me a huge favor, hit that notification button on top. That means that you love me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And as we say in all our videos, every home has a story. Let us tell yours. Until then, let's go.